The MacBook Pro M4 2025 represents Apple's most advanced laptop yet, powered by the next-generation M4 chip built on a 3nm architecture, offering major boosts in performance and energy efficiency. It comes in 14-inch and 16-inch models, with options for M4, M4 Pro, and M4 Max chips, delivering up to 16 CPU cores, 40 GPU cores, and an enhanced neural engine optimized for AI and machine learning tasks. The laptop features a stunning mini-LED quantum dot display with up to 1600 nits brightness, promotion 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR support. It includes multiple Thunderbolt for 5 ports, HDMI, SD card slot, and supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4. Apple has refined cooling for quieter performance and extended battery life, up to 22 hours on a single charge. Running on macOS Sequoia with full support for Apple Intelligence, it's designed for professionals in video editing, coding, and 3D design. Pricing starts around $1,399 for the base model, while high-end versions can exceed $3,500, making the M4 MacBook Pro one of the most powerful yet premium laptops in 2025. The MacBook Pro M4 defines Apple's future of power and performance, but is it worth the upgrade? Tell us in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more Apple and tech updates. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.